Okay. So now this pole face we got. Okay. Now what else is remaining there? Just check that. See now pole face. Now it has to come bit down. Then it has to join this. This and all random. Okay. Only this pole face we want. And this also randomly you can do this. That two steps. For this, if you want to make it accurate, you can just join this, and this is also valid. Select the next option, frame. Pole face is done, and this is not required now. This is not required. This is not required. Okay. Okay. Now, next what we need to do is, how many numbers? 4 numbers. Select array. So 4. Selected a center point. Okay. Now next what is that one square this thing. 2 step like this randomly you can do. 2 steps. Here also 1, 2. The best is like what you can do is, if you want I will show you. One I will show. Keep this offset on always. Okay. Keep this like this. 5. You press 5. Enter. One step is done. Keep here. 5. Enter. Then one more up. 5. Enter. 5. Enter. Done, right? Move, you can move this wherever you want, you can place that. Sorry, I think I didn't select everything. Okay, fine. I'll do that. 1 second. Wait. Line, first point, 5 and 5. Keep it this side, right side, and keep this on. Five, enter, and again 5, enter, and 5, then enter. Move this point, then keep this off. So now you can place that. So this is how you can do. Got it? So same way all 4 sides. Then same thing, 2 windings. Place it here. You can array the same thing. Okay. Got it? Now hope you got it here. If they have given this pole arc by pole pitch, then this pole phase you need to calculate by using these formulas. This I will share with you. Next problem will go. Here the stator they have shown. Okay. One slot you have to draw. This radius, one slot. Then select that slot, polar array, number of items. And small error is valid. Sometimes what will happen is, like now they have given 48 slots. After 48 slots, the gap might be more. One small gap you might see. That and all is valid. Okay. So again here also trapezoidal slot they have given.
Sometimes what will happen is like this will not match then. There what you do, inner diameter, outer diameter you draw first. This inner diameter, outer diameter you draw. And it should look like trapezoidal. Draw one trapezoidal slot. Then you select that, array it. Okay. And the main thing is that slot openings you have to show. Okay. So this is very important. Here, see like this. This slot opening should be there. Here, actually you have one small opening. One trapezoidal you draw. Then these everything you can draw. Okay. And also if you are not able to draw it according to this, then at least that should look like trapezoidal like this. Okay. Then select that, array it. How many? 48 numbers you can array it. A single shot only you can array. Select, then can array it. If you want to draw, I will draw. Now this two you draw. This one I will draw. 240. Outer diameter 240. Inner diameter they have given. Slot height they have given. See. Inner diameter is 240. I will draw this first 240. Circle. Diameter is 240. Sorry. Circle I will select here. This is diameter. Then as I told, first draw this axis line and keep. Then outer diameter, because to draw one slot that is required, or else one slot you have to draw. Instead of that, very easiest way is this inner diameter. I know how much is that I drew now. 240. 240 if you add here, then you will get this top one, right? How much is that? Slot height. Slot height he has given, see, 44.3. This they have given in problem, 44.3 total height of the slot, 44.3. So if you add 240, 240 is this plus 44.3. 240 plus 44.3 plus 44.3, that is nothing but slot height. 284.3. 284.3. So go to one more circle. Diameter 284.3. So in between these you should have a slot. Okay. So slot width also, you know how much is that slot width? 16. Okay. So if you divide half here, how much it will come? 8. Now center point here you have done 8 here, 8 here, this side. So offset command, how much is that? 8. Select this side. So this is this slot. So next select, trim. This is not required. This is not required. Okay. Now this is height of the slot, width of the slot I got. Now he is telling the trapezoidal slot. Okay. That also you can draw in detail. From here to here 4 you have. Is in detail you can draw. Okay. The slot opening is 3 mm. That also everything by offset command only. Select here 3 mm opening. Then here this down coming one randomly you can join. Okay. So marking all those details. So trapezoidal slot almost it will come like this. This I will do it randomly, okay? Because of shortage of time, I will do it randomly. frame. That openings and all you need to draw. Okay. This is randomly I am showing you. This is one slot. This is one slot. Okay. So this is not required now. Or else you can array first. How much is that array? How many slots he has given in problem? Total number of slots. Check. He has given total number of slots 48. Polar array 48. Objects already selected. Center points. This is your center point. Okay. 48 numbers. Okay. Now if you see here, slot opening is not there, right? So for that what you need to do is, first you select this, delete. Okay. Once you delete that, then this also is not required now. Delete, delete, delete. Just join these two lines. Join these two lines. Once you join this, you can select array. This is 48. It's see here 48. If you press, how it will come, we'll see. Center point I have selected. I have deleted that axis line, I guess. Yeah. Keep this as an axis line for time being, okay? Later you can delete if you want. Array, polar array 48, center point I have selected, center, select object, only this one, enter. See, all the slots you can see here, this is closed now. Okay, this is how you need to proceed. Okay. Now here I have done it randomly of this trapezoidal thing. I have done it randomly. Even in exam, if you don't get time, just these diameters you draw, then slots randomly you can draw. But these heights, everything should be perfect, and even number of slots also it should match. Okay. And if the small minute corrections, it's okay, no problem with that. Okay. Only thing is, don't try to miss these datas. This rotor, outer diameter, inner diameter and number of slots. Rest small error is okay, fine. Okay. This is how you draw the stator. Okay. See. This is what you have drawn. So in exam, and this is one more thing, including stator and rotor. First this inner rotor I will do, then stator. Here what they have shown is, half they have shown, or like they have mentioned here, end view, half sectional end view. So what you need to do is, only first you do it fully, then axis line is there, right? From there half you take, random you can take any pattern of hash and you can do that. Okay, that is one thing. And one more thing, if they see armature core house assembly, end view also you have done. Front view, if they ask, just extend these lines. The same thing, this is extension of this. Extend these lines. The width they will give. Mark that. Then different pattern of hatch you can do. Different pattern. But one thing, whatever you are doing on the top, same thing should be on the bottom. Okay. Okay then. Clear? Hope it is clear. So one thing you have to assume is, missing data can be suitably assumed, and all other things are fine.